Yo, what's up, people? This is Ali, and welcome to Per Lemon SEO. Today, we are going to understand how to remove a particular page or post from our XML. It's really easy. All you gotta do is you basically visit that particular page of yours that you want to remove. I have this sitemap. This is a published page and I want to remove it. So what I'll do is I'll click on edit, not Elementor. I'll click on edit and I'll basically open it in a new tab. And from there, you see this thing? It says post equals 2313 and action. So this 2313 is what we want to grab because this is our post ID. Once we have grabbed that, then we want to go and basically head over to our rank map as sitemap settings. Under general, you have to basically 2313, you have to put it here and save changes. So I have loads of them that I put in here. And you can really know this by if you head over to pages over here, you will see the number of pages I have would be around 91 and 86 published, right? But if you head over to my XML, only 54 appear in here. And if I were to search for that sitemap page, you will see that that sitemap page doesn't exist. Okay, now there is another way if you don't have rank map, right? The way is simple. All you gotta do is go to that particular post. If you're using Yoast or something else, you gotta make it no index, no follow, right? And that will basically make that page not appear inside your XML or inside your sitemap. But if after doing this, you still see the page over there, you want to make sure you clear your cache or wait for some time. After you're clearing your cache, and that page will be gone. Okay, guys, that was all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.